Deals TV on Thursday, the 22nd of October. Michael Feller here for Business Spectator. And the New South Wales lottery sale is stepping up, and it's believed that Tabcorp and Tatts Group have submitted bids, according to various Fairfax newspapers today. And it's also thought that the New South Wales Newsagents Association, or the Newsagents Association of New South Wales, as it's properly known, has submitted a bid as well. Foreign bidders, though, seem to be distracted, I've been told. Of course, the United Kingdom has announced that it's going to be selling Tote, its state-owned gaming operator, for the fourth time. They attempted to sell the company in 1999, 2003 and 2008, so now they're selling it in 2009. Gordon Brown, however, assures the public that it's not at the bottom of the market. Yeah, right. Also, of course, distracting those foreign bidders is the little matter of Tote Tasmania. On to other things now, where Peabody, the American coal giant, has announced it wishes to double exports of coal from Queensland and New South Wales. Could that mean a bid for Linc Energy is in the works, or at least a bid for Linc Energy's assets, which they've been trying to offload for some time now? There's also believed to be Chinese interest in Linc's assets, and perhaps Peabody will be doing some deals with Chinese companies here in Australia. Of course, it makes sense because Peabody intends to export that doubled production partly to China. Some of those Chinese companies could be Shenhua Energy, which of course has a major exploration project in New South Wales as well. Speaking of China, there's increasing talk in fact, that China is interested in investing in Australia's real estate projects. Also, there's talk overseas that Morgan Stanley's Crescent real estate unit could be sold to Chinese interests, or indeed to Barclays, the ever-expanding investment banking division of Barclays, the struggling British lender. And speaking of Morgan Stanley and real estate assets, it's said that Investa, the real estate unit they own in Australia, which is apparently going to IPO, could require a second underwriter. That's in today's Australian Financial Review. And speaking of raising capitals, IPOs and that type of thing, there's talk that Tony Sage's Q Copper could have its IPO prospectus ready in about 10 days. Q Copper, of course, is the vehicle that he's putting the Lady Annie Copper project into, so expect a raising of approximately 200 to 250 million coming up before Christmas perhaps, and yet another mining company to list before Christmas could be Scandinavian Resources and General Mining Corporation, which has potash projects in Mongolia. And elsewhere in fundraising, Sundance Resources has appointed Deutsche Bank to raise project finance for its Mbalam project in Cameroon. That's an iron ore project in the West African country. Anyway, that's all we've got time for. I'll see you tomorrow.